Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert numbers into words in Excel. So friends, this video is going to be very interesting. So complete watch the video. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest update, and by the end of the video, don't forget to hit the like button. So guys, let's start the process. I have designed a data set for you. In column 1, I have taken numbers, and in column 2, I will apply the formula that will convert numbers into words. So simply click the first cell of the second column and write the formula. Write equal bath text, open the bracket and select the number cell. Now press enter. See, we have to translate this. So to translate this, we have to write another formula, that is translate formula. As we are working in Google Sheets, so write Google Translate formula. In Excel, you can write translate, but as I am working on Google Sheets, so I will write Google Translate. Translate formula is not available on every version of Excel, so therefore I have used Google Sheets for this purpose. Now come to the point and write the formula equal Google Translate, open the bracket, bath text, open the bracket, select the number cell, close the bracket, press comma, and in double quotes write th. Th is for time. Press comma. Again write en. Press comma and write en in double quotations. En stands for English. Close the bracket and press enter. See, the result is 1 but exactly. But this is not our required answer. So for the required result, we have to enhance the formula. Simply copy this formula and delete this formula and write another formula. Write equal, left, open the bracket, paste this formula and press comma. Write len, open the bracket and paste the formula again, close the bracket and write -12 and close the bracket. Now press enter button. See, this is our required result. Drag this cell till the end to apply the formula on all the cells. See, this is our required results. What is -12? If we write -5, then see the result. This is not our required result. If we write 10, then see the result. This is also not. And if we write -12, then see the result. This is our required result. You can change any number in the number column and the result will be automatically changed. So friends, that's how to convert numbers into words in Excel. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends or colleagues who might find it useful. Your supports means the world to us and helps us to create more educational content. Remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.